In one of my most recent videos, a commenter commented, "Is affiliate marketing real?" So what I decided to do is take a look at 9 different examples of affiliate marketing in action. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at different traffic sources, everything from YouTube to TikTok to Instagram to even Facebook. And I'm going to show you how they're real and how you can actually get started too. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn if affiliate marketing is real. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. And as a successful affiliate marketer, I've earned commissions with everything from security cameras to web hosting, stand mixers, microwaves, sound bars, and even online courses. If you want real affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already own. All right, so like I said in this video, I am going to show you different examples of affiliate marketing in action. We're going to take a look at everything, different niches, different traffic sources, so that you can see that affiliate marketing is real. The first one that I want to show you is from the YouTube channel Affiliate Marketing Dude. He has a video here how he's made over $158,000 with web hosting affiliate programs, and he actually does it really straightforward. What he'll do is in all of his videos, he'll tell people to go to a website called GoHubSite.com. And when you go to this website, I'm just going to bring it up real quick, GoHubSite.com, like this. And when you go to the website, he has a free training where he shows people how to start a website. Look at this. Here's how you set up an instant web hosting on a brand new domain. And I don't want to allow that, but you can see here, this is a giant button that takes you over to Bluehost. So he's an affiliate for Bluehost. Anytime someone clicks on his affiliate links and purchases Bluehost, he can earn a commission. You can see here, click here to get started. All of these are different buttons that will take you right over to Bluehost, and that's how he's doing it. He's creating YouTube videos where he's talking about affiliate marketing or making money online, and then he says everybody should have their own website, and then they can start their own website by going to GoHubSite.com. And what it actually does is it's a redirect to his main site, affiliatemarketingdude.com. But this is one way, and this is how he has done it. It's actually really straightforward and really easy. But a second way, and I really like this, is this website, tomsguide.com. Best inflatable hot tubs in 2022. Yes, you can be an affiliate for hot tubs. You can recommend them and make money. So what Tom's Guide has done is he's put together a list of the 5 or 6 best hot tubs. And then as you can see here, these buttons here, it says view on Amazon. When people click on these buttons, it takes them over to Amazon, which he is an affiliate for. And if someone buys these hot tubs or anything within 24 hours, he can earn a commission. And you can see that this is something that people are going to be interested in. They're going to be interested in best inflatable pools, best inflatable hot tubs, best stand mixers for cooking or kneading dough. But you can see that this is yet another way that you can make money, and this is just a simple blog or website. After that, let's jump back over to YouTube, and I typed in Legendary Marketer Review. This is an online learning platform that a lot of people are recommending over on TikTok, and you can see here he's created a video that's gotten 34,000 views since April 1st of 2020, where he is recommending or talking about Legendary Marketer. He's probably not talking about it or recommending it, he's promoting it. But you can see here that he offers $1,700 in bonuses if you sign up using his affiliate link. So you can see that he's not actually giving a review per se. He's telling people like 5 reasons why you should buy. It's a 21-minute video where he goes over the ins and outs of Legendary Marketer. Let's assume that he only got 1% of 34,000 people to join. That is still a pretty good amount of money. Let's just do the quick math here. $34,000 or 34,000 times 0.01. That's 340 people. If 340 people buy the $7 course, he could potentially make times 7. Come on, times 7 equals, he makes $2,380 on the front end, but Legendary Marketer has a high ticket offer on the back end. And let's assume out of the 340, let's assume that 50 people buy the high ticket product, where he earns a 50% commission, or excuse me, he owns a $1,000 commission. So we do 50 times $1,000 like that. And you can see that he could make potentially $50,000. Now, obviously, I don't know if he earned that amount, but you can see how affiliate marketing works and how it is real. All right, so after Legendary Marketer, let's take a look at another example. The 5 best cameras for YouTube. Now, someone has gone out and done the research and put together a list of the 5 best cameras. Now, this works because if someone's just getting started with YouTube, they want to know which camera they should go with. And you can see that this person has went out and once again is an affiliate for Amazon and has put together a list of the 5 best cameras for YouTube. Now, what I would do if I was him is I would actually set up something called OneLink. And with OneLink, you can have one link and be an affiliate for multiple Amazon networks or Amazon stores. With Amazon, each country or even continent at some points has its own store. And so if you're not a part of OneLink, like this guy isn't, he has multiple different Amazon affiliate links. If he signs up for OneLink, he just needs the one link. It's pretty self-explanatory. All right, so after that, let's take a look at something else. Best mattresses for side sleepers. Now, yes, you could be an affiliate for mattress affiliate programs. Now, if we scroll down here, this is sleepfoundation.org, and they put together a list of the best mattresses. Now, if you click Shop Now, this is an affiliate link, and there's a few ways that we know that. One of the ways that we know that is if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen here, and you click on, let's click on About Us. Oh no, let's click on Advertising Disclosure, and they don't have any ads, so obviously they're doing some type of advertising. We're just going to hit Control Find and type in affiliates like this, and you can see it says how we make the decisions around product recommendations in order to maintain the site and continue to produce accurate, informative content. We maintain affiliate partnerships with most companies in the sleep product industry, as well as larger e-commerce portals like Amazon.com and Walmart.com. So right there, sleepfoundation.org, which probably is a pretty large website and brand, is an affiliate for a bunch of different mattresses and things of that nature. Oh, if you're tired of blogs and YouTubes, let's take a look at TikTok. Yes, you can be an affiliate and do affiliate marketing on TikTok. This channel here, this guy has Amazon Finds. His name is Simply Sal Finds, and when you click through his different link tree, it actually goes over to an Amazon store. So if we look at this, he has 1.9 million followers, and he basically just buys stuff on Amazon and creates a little bit of content about it. If we click on his link here and we follow the yellow brick road, open anyway, like this, we can see that eventually my Amazon Finds, if we click this, it goes to his Amazon store. You can see also has it by different sections, by car, kitchen, and so on. But once again, if we click on any of this and make a purchase, he earns a commission. So it works for TikTok as well. And yes, it also works for Instagram. If we take a look at this channel, once again, Best Amazon Finds, they have 1,000 followers and they don't even have their store completely set up yet. You can see website coming soon to find all items featured on my TikToks. This person is doing it both on TikTok and Instagram. And if you were tired of YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, we also have Facebook. Now with Facebook, I typed in Ted's Woodworking Projects. Ted's Woodworking Projects is a ClickBank offer. ClickBank is an affiliate network. If we scroll down here, one of the first things that you'll see is about Ted's Woodworking. Get instant access to 16,000 woodworking plans. If you've been around the block for affiliate marketing, you'll know that 16,000 woodworking plans is for Ted's Woodworking. If I click on this affiliate link or this bit.ly link, it should take me over to Ted's Woodworking. Now what this person is doing is, hopefully this is a pinned post, but you can see it was posted June 4th at 12:02 p.m. This is not a pin post. He's just grabbing different woodworking projects and posting them. This group has a large following. I forgot exactly how many people they have, but if we click on people and we go back over here for a second, you can see 16,000 woodworking plans. This actually goes to a bridge page. You can see it's a sites.google.com. They've set up like a bridge page in order to be compliant with Facebook. But if we click download plans now, this is actually the affiliate link. And then if I were to buy those woodworking plans, they would make money. But you can see that this works for anything. If we look in the lower left-hand corner, you can see that it's a hop link, hop.clickbank. That lets you know that it's an affiliate link. If we come back over here, you can see 16,000 woodworking plans. This is a ClickBank offer, as you can see in the top right-hand corner. Let's go back over here. They have over 3,900 members. And then the final one that I wanted to show you is this large brand called Think Media. Think Media. Now, Think Media helps people start a YouTube channel. And the reason why I want to show you this is people large and small are taking advantage of affiliate marketing. 2.7 million subscribers, 2.07 million subscribers. And if I click on this first one, they're going to have links out to the different products that they recommend or the products that they discuss throughout the video. So I click on more. This Rode mic that they talk about is an affiliate link. The Deity mic is an affiliate link. And so that should let you know that affiliate marketing is real and you can get started at any size. You can get started with any niche. You just need to take action. And the easiest way to take action, quite frankly, is to take advantage of that cheat sheet that I have in the first link in the description. It's going to show you how to start affiliate marketing step by step with products that you already own. But affiliate marketing, the concept is really simple. You find a product or service that you want to promote, you create content to help solve a problem or a need, and then you recommend the product or service that you want to promote. You do that consistently, you can start seeing success with affiliate marketing. As I mentioned, the best way to go ahead and get started today is to get access to that free cheat sheet that will show you how to start affiliate marketing step by step. It's a 4-step guide that you can take advantage of using products that you have lying around your house. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.